Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a mini Christmas tree. Most of the products were purchased from the Dollar Tree, but also some were from Hobby Lobby. Altogether, this tree came out to be $11. But before we get started, I just wanted to mention, please subscribe to my channel. New videos come out every Wednesday. So we're going to start off with the tree from the dollar store. It does look pretty bare. I mean, it is only $1, but I did buy these extra pack of branches from the Dollar Tree. All I did was pull these branches out, folded them in half, and then put them in between the layers of the tree. There is about 5 different layers of these branches, and then where it's bare, I was able to stick 2 to 3 of these branches. I started the ones on the bottom, didn't twist them as much so that they were longer, and then as I worked my way up, twist them more so that they're smaller branches. And then I just went through and tried to fluff the branches, move them around, try to make it a little bit more full. So not too bad for a $2 tree. Fair warning though, it makes a big mess, so I was really glad I had wood floors, super easy to clean up, so just a warning. So then I took this little bucket, and it was from Hobby Lobby. I took the little brackets off of the tree. I was only using them so that I could put the branches on the tree, so I took those off since they're not needed anymore. Put some E6000 in the bucket and stuck the tree in there, set it aside and let it dry. So I took this rope, also from Dollar Tree. I cut a little bit of it off, and we're going to wrap that around the bucket. On the top part, I lifted up the handle sides, and we're just going to wrap that on and use hot glue to stick it there. So while I was doing this, the tree was getting a little bit wobbly, so I took some more E6000 and tried putting some more on there to try and get it to stay. But that was not working. So to finish the bucket without the tree in it, we're going to hot glue the rest of the side, the other half, and stick the rope on there. And so that's what it should look like at the end. And then I took some hot glue, since this is going to dry a little bit faster, stuck the tree back in there and used more E6000 and then stuck it in the corner and waited for it to dry. So while that's drying, I got these from Hobby Lobby, my little Christmas section. I got the silver ornaments, the snowflakes, and then I also got a little packet of little tree hook ornaments. So all of these items were half off. They were having a half off sale. The silver ornaments were $4.99, the little snowflakes $2.99, and the ornament hooks $1.99. So I took the little silver ornaments, took these little ornament hooks, and I stuck the little hook through the hole of the ornament and then just shut the clasp. And I did this for all of the ornaments. So then we took this is from the Dollar Tree. It's just some potpourri. To me, it looked kind of like pine cones, and I like the brown color of it. Since it resembled pine cones, I took the little smaller pieces out and left the big nuts and other long strips in the bag. But I only used about half the bag full and was able to fill this bucket. And then we're just going to put the ornaments on. Then we're going to take the little topper. It's from the My Little Christmas section of Hobby Lobby. It says Merry Christmas on it, and we're just going to stick it on the tree. And there you have it.